Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're the best. Let's get started. Get this out of the way. Wheels off.
Shoot.
Fast. Yeah, passenger side looks pretty bad too. Yep. So needs to be replaced. I had already sprayed some lube on it yesterday, but I probably could do a little bit on this pin and also loosen that up. So yeah, let me get the lube. There we go. How I like it. Comes out just like that. So we're gonna leave that right there, and that's gonna give us some room so we can have fun. Okay, remove. Out. Another one. Out. This baby should be a little bit loose. Yep. Perfect. Perfect. We're gonna keep this right here. And now's the hard part. It's the top. Beautiful. Okay, keep that there. We're gonna pull this baby. Sit it right there. Let's get this nut. Okay. Nut number one. We could put it right there. I don't think, you know what? Not a good place. Keep it right there. Okay, one, two more to go. Just the way I like it. It's coming right now. Here we go. There we go. Sweet. Number two. Okay. Number three is gonna be right there. But the cable that I need to disconnect is, not easy. Okay guys, so trying to remove it from the top is a pain. So we're gonna go from the inside, which you can see it, it's right there. So I just got this cover on the way, but you can literally move this out of the way so you could get it done. But yeah, do it from the inside. That's gonna be the best way. So I see it right here. Look at that. I'm actually gonna turn it into the car. There we go. Right there. Look at that. So now, baby, you wanna use the flashlight on me? Look at this, how easy it is from the inside. I wish I figured this out before. Yeah, there you go. So that's the technique. Press it down. I was struggling, but once you press it down, you're good. So that's it. Now this head is ready to come out. Let's remove the rest of the screws, but also from the inside, you could see the other covers. So you could just do them right from the inside. Lift them up. Come on. It seems to be easier to do it from here.
Yeah.
There we go. That's out. That's it. All three are out. So let's pull them out. Got one more screw. Yeah. Okay. And that one is right on this angle. There we go. Got the angle. Get this in. It's out. Out. Come on.
Take it out from the bottom.
I could have, but since I'm up here, I like to struggle. I like to struggle a little. Okay, now is the fun part. More flashlight here. I have to, literally, I'm gonna shove this in here because it's gonna fall. I don't want it to hit the ground. So I'm gonna be pushing it, and let's see. Oh, it's coming.
Careful.
One more. Okay, I got it. Now I just gotta pull this off. There we go. So that's the technique so it doesn't just drop on you. Gotta be very gentle with it. Get that cable to come with me. Yep, stuck a little bit. There we go, beautiful. Beautiful teamwork. There we go. Now we're gonna pull it through the top. Ay, ay, ay. It's coming. Gee. Wow, look at that view, you know. In a nice. Now we'll do this other side. Similar idea, but this one's gonna go here. A little bit at a time on each side. A little more. Always keep an eye on it. Make sure it's not. I think we're good right there. Oh, it worked. Whew, it worked. Unbelievable.
Do
Now,
I get a high five for that?
yes, give me. Thank you.
With the left hand glove.
With the left hand. Wow. Unbelievable.
I know. That was harsh.
Yeah. I mean, like I said, this thing has been on this car for probably 8 years. Never replaced. Look at that, it's still hard coming out.
Wow.
This thing has so much pressure. I could feel the pressure, like, just loosen it up.
Loosen it up, yeah.
Phew.
Wow.
I could feel it, like. This is very dangerous, like, I'm literally like don't blow, because as I loosen this, it puts more pressure on those things.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my God, you can hear the sound, right?
Yeah.
The boots loosen up.
Oh my God. That's weird.
Okay. It's holding. Don't do this at home.
Nope.
Unbelievable. I'm actually gonna keep the screw tied a little bit as I do this part here. This part here is a pain. Bad boy don't want to come out.
Take both at the same time.
Yeah. Okay, there we go. Other one's out. Shoot. Okay, we'll leave it just like that. I need to get this head out. Another thing, right? Always
That
something.
comes in first, right?
Yep.
Okay.
So
That's
I'm
why I
gonna
was
try
ready
to
to put that in.
open it up like this. Look at that. Split like a banana. Just like a banana. Now we're gonna slide this baby out. Actually, I'm gonna do it through the back. But it don't matter. Yep, came off. Okay, now we can take this bad boy out. And so that goes. Bam.
Wow, look at the difference.
Bam. Now this boy, I gotta use this to loose it up. There we go. Come on, get in there. Maybe I'll use that flathead. Come on. You could do it. Yes.
Now it's out.
You could do it. Okay, we're gonna keep this in the same order. Oh my God, look, I had a rust in there.
Wow.
Holy
Yeah,
crap.
baby. That's
So
nice.
yeah, shoot. Let's spray some more in here. I like to spray everything. Never have enough lube. Keep that boy just like that. And this boot, gonna clean this freaking rust. Well, this is plastic, but just gonna clean some of that and spray it too. Want to kill as much rust as possible. Now we're gonna pull this baby and this. And this gonna line up the same way. Okay, shove this in all the way there. This. Okay, then we got this. But before I do all this, I gotta shove it in here. So let's take this old one out. We're gonna clean this. Sucker's dirty.
Wow. Nice the way it comes out.
Yup. Usually you want to clean stuff like this because
Satisfying.
it's gonna create more freaking
Rust and stuff.
rust. Yup. That's it. That looks nice. Oh, hold on, is this supposed to be loose? I think that's supposed to be in there. Okay, there we go. Got it. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, let's just clean this. Yeah, I want to clean this a little bit too. Not much, but all the crap from the road. It's good enough. Just that area. Shove it in. And right there's good. Yep, shove that boot. There we go.
So that kind of protects it, right?
Yep. Then it goes right there. And then
This.
let me shove it in. Hold on a little bit. Yep, go ahead and do it for me. There you go. And it's gonna line up with the holes right here. See that? Bam. It's lining up. That stays like that. Yep. And then this screw. Really simple,
This is
right?
the last one to go, huh?
It's not hard at all.
Yeah.
I don't know what people are complaining about.
Wow, you say that after you already
Hold on.
done
Wrong
it.
one. I
Yeah.
need to get that out of the way. Yeah, that's it. No more. Well, you can see almost same.
Yep.
So as long as it's identical, you're good. I got for me. Okay, now we're gonna do this baby, and it's gonna be white, and it's gotta face down. So I need to twist this. Hold it like this, and pinch it in. Oh yes. Oh yes.
Nice and smooth.
Yeah, that's how I like it. Then we're gonna look in the inside. Yes, beautiful. Then we're gonna clamp it in. There we go.
Oh my god.
That's beautiful. So in the car, I think it needs to go the opposite direction. So I need to do it. Yep, like that. It's no big deal. Yep, just like that. Uh-huh.
A hole in anything.
But look, this is what's holding it.
Yeah.
As long as you got that tight, it holds it in
It's
place.
so crazy because it's just.
Okay, baby, it's all yours. Yeah. So this goes in first. And then I get this in here, all the way down. And then get the wire through the hole. Because
Oh, you're gonna bring it up, right?
I need to find a way to bring it up.
Oh man, this is from underneath.
No, I think it's too heavy for you.
There we go, got it in place.
Nice.
Just line them up. Thank you. Okay, now we're gonna finish this screw here. So let me get this bad boy and this, and put some light up in here. We're literally done. Make sure I'm not right. And hold it. Yeah, I don't want to go too tight with it.
Yeah.
We're good right there. Perfect. Sweet. Okay, we're done.
Nice.
Put all the tools away. I'm gonna test the truck. Make sure it feels good. Make sure I don't have anything on the dashboard complaining about suspension. Nope, nothing's complaining. Nothing is complaining. Okay. Good luck, guys.